Hello everyone, this is Harley from Garden FL. Right here in my hand I have Abiu. Abiu is a very tropical fruit, very rare fruit, not typically found in Florida whatsoever. Although I'm in Colombia, even in Colombia this fruit is pretty rare. This fruit tastes like a superior caimito. If you had star apple or caimito, this tastes very similar, but also has notes of persimmon and burnt sugar taste. These three are ripen. This one is a little past ripen, but we're gonna save the seeds as it still has some. Some information about these fruit is that they're grown very much in Hawaii. In Florida, they grow very well. These fruits are not in the same family as caimito, at least I don't think so, but they are very similar to caimito, to star apple. And we're gonna cut them up so you see how they look like on the inside. So here we have the Abiu fruit. This one is perfect. As you see, they begin to first green, and then as they ripen, they turn yellow. And this one was tree dropped, as well as this one, and as well as this one. These are all three tree dropped Abiu. So let's cut open this Abiu. I'm gonna be very careful considering the seed is in the middle. You don't wanna hurt the seed. And the seed also goes, once it goes dry, it won't germinate. So you want to plant these as soon as possible. I actually fly back to Florida today in a few hours, so I'll plant these right when I get home. This is the seed, Abiu seed. And these also kind of leave your lips a little sticky when you eat them. So this is a slice. Tastes like persimmon with a little burnt sugar. And you do get those caimito vibes, like the sweetness of a caimito. To me, it maybe seems as there's another seed in the middle. Another slice. Caimito, grown in Colombia, Cali Colombia. Abiu, grown in Cali Colombia. Although here in Colombia they're known as caimo, and caimito refers to star apple. But this is known as caimo here. But as you know, in America we call it Abiu. Abiu, 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 Abiu crazy. This is another Abiu, and this is a tree right here. You can see they're hanging right there, the Abiu. ¿Cómo se llaman aquí? Caimo, ¿no? Caimo, sí. Beautiful. Ay, gracias, tío.
Por acá, por este lado, ¿ves?
Ya.
Unas fotos, gracias.